Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Reviews. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the TOZO AeroSound6 Pro, a pair of truly wireless earbuds that promise studio-quality sound, hybrid ANC, and a smart touchscreen charging case. This might be one of the smartest earbud cases I've seen. Let's find out if it's worth it. Inside the box, we get the TOZO AeroSound6 Pro earbuds neatly placed in their charging case. USB Type-C charging cable, multiple sizes of ear tips, user manual, and warranty card. Everything you need to get started is included, and the packaging already feels premium. The first thing that stands out is the touchscreen charging case. It's not just for looks. You can control noise cancellation, EQ modes, playback, and even answer calls directly from here. The earbuds themselves are compact, lightweight, and comfortable for long listening sessions. Plus, with IPX8 water resistance, they're safe for workouts, rain, or even accidental drops in water. This touchscreen case is a game changer. You can switch between ANC modes, adjust sound effects, control music, and customize EQ, all without opening your phone. There's also smart features like Find My Earbuds, left-right balance control, and even one-tap water ejection, which helps remove water after workouts. Now let's talk sound. The AeroSound6 Pro uses TOZO Super DLC acoustic technology, combining a PU bass, titanium dome, and DLC-coated diaphragm. With a massive 12 Hz to 40 kHz frequency range, you get deep bass, clean mids, and crystal clear highs. The Bass Plus technology delivers punch without overpowering the vocals. Spatial audio adds an immersive feel, making music, movies, and games sound wide and dynamic. The hybrid active noise canceling works extremely well, and the 6-mic AI call noise reduction keeps your voice clear, even in noisy environments. Calls sound natural and focused, which is perfect for work or travel. Using the TOZO app, you unlock 32 preset EQ modes, plus thousands of community-shared EQs from audiophiles around the world. There's also ear-tuned sound compensation, which adjusts audio based on your hearing profile for a more personalized listening experience. In-ear detection automatically plays when you put the earbuds in and pauses when you take them out. Simple, but very useful. Battery life is impressive. You get up to 13.5 hours per charge with ANC off and 9.5 hours with ANC on. With the charging case, total playback reaches 60 hours or 45 hours with ANC enabled. Bluetooth 6.0 provides a stable connection with low latency and a range of over 10 meters. So, is the TOZO AeroSound6 Pro worth it? Absolutely. You're getting premium sound, powerful ANC, smart controls, long battery life, and one of the most innovative charging cases available. If you want feature-packed earbuds with excellent value, this is a strong recommendation. I will leave a link in description below. You can check it out if you're interested. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know in the comments, would you use a touchscreen earbud case?